Yeah, good afternoon. So, who we got in here right now? I'm from engineering, Royal Commission Engineering.
Yes.
Mohammed Zahran.
Mohammed Zahran, yes. I'm Zaid Hussein. There is
The contractor.
no picture, yes.
And who's Khairi?
Khairi is the construction manager. Project
Okay,
construction
so we are
manager.
waiting. Okay, so the consultant just joined it. Shoaib Khan just joined us. So we are waiting for Yunus, Mohammed Yunus. Can you call him? Mohammed, do you mind calling Yunus? So he can attend the meeting. Yeah, Yunus, let me call him actually.
Yes, okay.
Hey, Shoaib, is Tassos joining us?
Yeah. He said that he will join. I'm just calling him now.
Okay.
Hi, Tassos. Yeah.
Are you joining? Okay. Right. Sure.
No, it's 2 o'clock. No?
Okay, Yunus is joining. We're waiting for Tassos from AE, and then we can start. Just give us another 1 minute.
Send it for Sudhakar also too. Meeting joining again? तो है ना, join from the browser. नहीं, ईमेल नहीं, मैं आपको उसका invitation meeting invite भेजा हूँ ना.
ما حد جا غيرنا ولا شو يا هندسة؟ ما حد جا غيرنا ولا شو؟
لسه ما كاتمين الصوت، هما الاثنين قفلوا المايك.
شكل الموضوع لسه مطول.
عمار مش جاي، كلمني قال لي مش جاي، مش عارف.
قال ما هيقدر يدخل؟
لا، أنا لسه محمد عثمان دخل ما دخلش خلاص بقى نشيل الليل. محمد عثمان دخل. هو ده. ويونس دخل.
العصر بأذن كم؟
العصر لسه الساعة 3:14 دقيقة، لسه بدري.
أنا والله الظهر ما
Mohammed Zahran is there.
Gentlemen, can you hear me?
Yes.
It's good.
I can't see you, man.
But we can see you.
Why you have to see me? What? You need to see me also?
Yes, we miss you.
You missed me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good afternoon, gentlemen. I think everyone is here on the meeting right now, so let's start the meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm always from engineering department, and we got Shoaib Khan, we got Tassos from AE, Adil is here, Yunus is here. So
Khairi is there.
Shoaib, can you hear me? Hello, Shoaib, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, Shoaib, can you please put the construction comments up on the screen?
Hello.
Screen.
Yeah. All right, Yunus, we got those comments from you. I think these are the comments prepared together with the contractor. Is that my understanding correct?
Yes, we send around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We send in generally in 6 comments. Maybe you separate some comments from each other. We just see this now.
You see my screen sharing?
Exactly.
Yeah, we can see your screen sharing.
Okay, fine. So these are the 17 comments what we received lately from
Construction department.
construction department. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
So, yes, can you hear us,
I
Yunus?
don't have the audio.
Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear you, Sharp,
Yes.
right now?
Yes.
Yeah, I do hear. Yes.
Okay, so it's Yunus. I'll let me call his mobile and then
Yes,
tell him,
yes,
to join on the phone. Yeah, hey, Tassos. How are you doing?
Meetings. I got out from another meeting.
All right.
At least you people, you're not military.
Hopping.
Come on, we're nice people. Okay, let me call Yunus from his desk. Oh, he cannot hear us. Anyway, so let's carry on. So, Adil, are you there? Can you hear us?
Yes.
I hear you.
So did you prepare those comments here? Yes, Yunus.
Yeah, there's no audio.
Okay, you need to log in again then.
Oh, really? Close again? Log in again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try that.
Okay.
All right, let's start with the first comment. Okay, what is the issue right now with okay, so let me tell you this one. Right now we are doing some stress analysis over here, Adil, okay? And based on the stress analysis, we may change the design may change, over here, basically the connections and then what did you tell me exactly is going to change over here, Shrab?
Yeah, see, the thing
The
is
joints?
that, yeah, the joints will change. The levels of the pipes may change, and the type of the pipe. If I'm
But
not
we
wrong,
agreed we agreed that we're gonna go with SN 1000. The only thing that you will change is the
10,000.
pressure.
10,000.
the pressure, yeah.
Yeah.
The pressure rating of the pipes. We have not specified the pipes before the ratings before. Now with the stress analysis being done, I hope they will come out with the pressure ratings of the pipes required.
Hello.
Yes. So right now, this week, end of this week, we're gonna get some response from the consultant, and then hopefully we'll have some good output. So we're not gonna change. We cannot make any major changes on the overall concept design. So from the output that we have from, well, Yunus, then you need to log in somewhere else. Log in from the phone.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yunus, we can hear you. If you cannot hear, just try to log in from the phone.
Okay. From the phone, huh?
No, from that phone or you can dial. There's a toll-free number you can dial in.
No, I will log in from the phone then.
Okay.
I'm in this meeting. If you give me a few.
Let me mute. Okay, so now what we are saying is basically, Shoaib is saying the design may not change, but the type and classification may change. Okay, so carry on, please, Shoaib.
Yeah, this is what the drawings 203 and 204 what we have submitted was the concept, and based on this concept, this is being further developed by our sub-consultant for the pipe stress analysis. So what all the comments what I see is now based on your review of 203 and 204. So, but yes, we agree to most of your comments, like, for the space between the pipes, carry the full fill and with the sand and all that. That will come from our, the pipe stress analysis subcontractor with the final design or the detailed design of the concept what we have even submitted before. So that is expected somewhere around, by mid of next week, because I've been in constant contact with them, and they are in close coordination with Maaden. They are working with Maaden on this one with the site condition. They had the site visit also, last week or a week before that, I believe. and they have gathered all the information required, and they are coordinating with Maaden with more details and more drawings what they have got from there, from the PNIDs of this line from Maaden, and they are accommodating all this information and coming up with the detailed design of this. So I think we all need to have some wait for some time until the final version of this package will be available for our review.
Okay.
Okay, so but there's some questions, we need to answer. We need to answer some questions over there. First of all, the item 1 to 4 is not going to be, we're not going to respond to that one. Right now, let's go to item number 5. The proposed pipe sleeves are per the drawing are undersized. Shoaib, do you want to say something, or Tassos, do you want to say something on this one?
Tassos?
No, this is what we saw in the drawing. We have the pipe and the pipe sleeve diameters is clear there. This is what
we didn't raise this comment. Some of these comments we didn't. It's not raising by us. Like number 5, we didn't raise any query regarding the sizes.
So who raised this comment?
We send our comment in official letter. We have 6 comments. It's not including this one. The proposed pipe sleeve size as per the drawing is undersized.
Let's look at these ones here. The proposed pipe sleeve size per the drawings are undersized. Tassos, do you want to say something on this one?
No, but who raised this comment?
Adil, is that from you or is that from a contractor? Adil, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, Yunus.
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. So now we are going under this comment. Comment number 5. To propose pipe sleeves are, as per the drawings, are undersized. Who made this comment? Construction or the contractor?
It's a mix. 1 second. Let me see. I'll pull off that.
It's in front of the screen. When you look at the computer, you can see this one.
Yeah.
Number 5.
I think maybe Camille.
Maybe engineer Camille. Yes.
No, hang on. There are no. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Guys, I cannot hear the word from your.
There is some echo, gentlemen. There is some echo.
Yeah, okay, I cut it off. Carry on, Yunus.
Okay. If the contractor's comments are not there, then there are Camit's comments. Our mechanical engineer.
Okay, but who made this one? That this, the question is right now. The proposed pipe sleeves are undersized. Who made this comment?
Which one? Comment number? Which one?
5.
5. Proposed pipe sleeves as per the undersized recommended pipe sleeves for different carrier pipes are.
Yes, I think he
this is Kamit.
Extra diameter in the pipe sleeve.
I told this guy to join it.
Yes.
He's here.
Kamit joined us.
He joined us. Kamit joined us.
Yeah. Yes.
Kamit, are you here? Kamit on the meeting?
I can say his name, but I'm not sure.
Yes.
I told him to join. I saw.
Okay, look. Okay, you tell me, Yunus, you are the RE. Why do you think they're undersized, Because right now what you are preparing is a standard practice, and this is what we are thinking.
No, hang on.
For the best.
Because the gap is, the 2 sides, the gap is very, very small. You have to fit in the pipe sleeve is 700 and the pipe is 400. Yes, that's the reason why.
You are connecting the pipe outside. You are not installing it inside. You know this one. You will do it outside and then you will lift it down. So we cannot give you a big margin because it has to be moved with this. The pipe and sleeve is going to move together.
The defining factor for the sleeve diameters are the spacers. Because we're not going to use any sand or whatever, we're using spacers, I don't remember the name, Raki or something like that. So the spacer, according to the spacer we're going to use, they're going to provide the pipe sleeve. So the defining factor for the diameter of the sleeves are the spacers. The spacers shown in the drawings are that. So this is what you need, according to their specs.
Exactly.
But either way, what you're going to do, you're going to put it outside. All the job is going to be done outside, and then you're going to
lift it. Yes, and then you're going to install it in place.
No, hang on. This is one of the comments also. We raised it from the contractor.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes, correct. So this is one of our comments.
Who gave this comment that 40-meter pipe you assemble outside and we lower it down? Whose idea is this one?
We raised this comment.
Engineering idea is our engineering idea.
How is possible like this?
It is possible. It is possible. Otherwise, you can't.
It's not going to be 40 meters. You can do it in pieces, but
That's what I'm telling you. Exactly. Yes. We are going to do it pieces 6 meters.
You are not going to do it in 40 meters, but we can do it in pieces.
No, your method. Who I'm talking to? Is this from AE?
It's Tassos from AE.
Hey, okay, Tassos, my friend, we cannot. What based on the method statement, you told us that you have to assemble all of them outside and lower it as a one unit. That's not going to happen. We are going to assemble one each pipe, 6 meters, 6 meters.
We are not saying one unit. No.
Hello.
Yes, Tassos, carry on.
Decide and do the welding of the.
Tassos, can you repeat, please? Tassos, please repeat. We cannot hear you.
Yeah, because I was receiving phone calls. What I said, we are going to let's say the arrangement of the pipe and sleeve will be done outside. Then you're going to lift it, put it inside, and then you put the other part also the same thing and start do the welding. Piece by piece.
Right.
You cannot lift 40 meters. You can do it.
Exactly. Thank you.
The whole process.
That's right. Exactly. This is what I'm trying to do. But your method statement doesn't reflect like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, a contractor.
Look, the method statement is prepared by you guys.
We are talking about FRB pipe. He said welding. There is no welding here. He said FRB pipe will be coupling joint. So coupling joint, this is cannot be.
There is a comment there also, coupling or lamination, right?
Lamination. Yeah, welding means lamination.
That's the one. The whole thing, this will be decided by the stress analysis. If the stress analysis is we're going to do that, we're going to do that. Whatever they say, it has to do with stress analysis.
Is Kamid online? He's not there still, this guy?
He cannot, for some reason, join us. But anyways, let's carry on.
No, hang on. Let me call him. Give me 1 minute. Let me call him in my office. Kamid, where are you, man? Come here. Come in my office. We have a meeting here. You're... Hey. Sorry, I told him to come into my office, because if he cannot log in, we can, at least we can have this. Come in. Why you cannot log in? Okay, have a bring your chair. Have a seat. Bring your chair. No. Bring your chair. Sit here, please. Okay, Kamid is here now. Yeah, what the comments now? Okay, number 1. No, hang on. You can sit there, pare. No, sit there. You can see from there, pare. You can see from there. Okay, these are the comments now. Okay. Comment number 5. You want to go back to the comment number 5?
Yeah, we are there right now. We are not moving anywhere from there.
Okay. Yes. This one, the sleeves. You said that the sleeves and the sizes here, 400 to 700 is not enough. Under size.
Yeah, it is under size.
Kamid is with me here now. Can you hear him or no?
Yeah, we
in the background. In the background.
He's in the background. Yes, that's right. Exactly. Because
yeah, if he can be a bit louder.
Okay, 1 second. I don't want to disturb this one, because I remove my, because I put my AirPods. No, the audio is not a problem here. Audio is a problem here now. Can you hear us now?
No.
Okay.
Yep.
Hello? Hello, can you hear?
It's echo.
Can you hear now?
Yes.
Mr. Yunus, you are logged in from the 2 locations. I think that's the reason it's echoing.
No, the other one is muted.
I'm looking the screen. I'm looking at my computer, and I logged in from my phone as well. So I put one audio. Clear now. It's clear now. Go ahead, Kamid.
Who is speaking? Engineering?
Engineering, yes. Engineering.
Yes, guys. My comment number 5, the proposed pipe sleeves are undersized. You have to increase it to 1 step.
So why do you think Amit this is undersized?
Yeah, it is undersized because if you consider this carrier pipe and this what you call it, the carrier pipe.
700 versus 400. The
Yeah,
pipe is 400, the sleeve is 700.
Yes, and
So both sides, the gap will be
and there
150,
is
150.
what you call it, spinner, or I forgot the term for that. Hmm?
What is
It's
it?
it's like uh,
Like what? Like
it's piece- yeah.
okay, so what is our question is that it's not enough.
Yeah, it's not enough
It's not
because
practical.
we need to fill the sleeves also between the sleeves and clear pipe with sand to make it
But
more.
we are not.
Please check the drawings. There will be no
There's no
fillable
sand.
sand, nothing like that. You are going to use spacers. Forget about the sand. First, check the drawings and then please respond. You will not fill anything with sand. You are going to use spacers.
Spacers.
Yes, spacers.
Okay, what is the gap between the pipes? Two pipes now.
The do
700.
you hear me, Engineer Yunus?
Now, yeah, go ahead.
He proposed to increase the outside diameter by 100 mm in each pipe because in the BOQ it's mentioned the 400 mm it's inside 600 mm. He mentioned here it's 700. That's mean he
No,
proposed to increase.
Yeah, but
forget
yeah,
about. We follow the drawings. Execute as per the drawings. If there is a
yes,
problem in the drawings,
If we
check
will
the
have
drawings.
it will be depend on the spacer size.
yes. To check the drawings, everything's clearly over there. If there is an issue, then yeah, we will check again if we can increase it. But right now, follow the design drawings. Yes.
No, as a contractor now, you are okay with that 700 versus
It
400?
will not be visible to know until we check the spacer size. We ask for quotation. Once we have the quotation, we
Okay.
can know the spacer size.
Check it. Perfect. Okay, so that means you need to do internally. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna keep this comment. We're not gonna, take an action on this comment. Let's go to the next comment. 6, the spacer between pipe sleeves. That depends on the contractor. What Mohammed said right now. He's gonna come back
Exactly.
with the quotation, and that will impact this one. Okay,
It's
so
a
we're not gonna.
proposal from the engineering department of the manufacturer. They will give you exactly. You have to give him
Yes,
the
contractor to check the spacer size. Same thing you can apply for comment number 6, Sharp.
Yes, there is
Perfect.
no 6. It will be skippable. Also.
Okay, 6 is the same thing. Now, the specify proposed pipe invert level. I think they were shown on the drawings, but they will be updated, right? Sharp, is that my understanding correct? Or Tassos?
Yes. They're going to provide the full design schedule drawings from the.
Yeah, we are waiting for the stress analysis. We're gonna get back to you on that one here. Okay, Yunus, we're moving to the next comment. Need to specify all existing pipe materials. Again, the existing pipe materials will be provided on the updated drawings.
Okay, good.
After we have the stress analysis done. Okay? We're waiting for the stress analysis.
Which one? Which comment was?
Number 5 and 6 are the same. Okay, response.
Okay.
Number 6, number 7, and 8, depending on the stress analysis result. Okay, 7, 8, and 9.
When the stress be done, until now it's not done yet.
It's unfortunate. It takes time. It's not that easy. Hopefully, we're gonna have end of this week the result from the consultant.
Because what happens was the site visit was required, and there so much of the data like PNIDs was missing from Maaden. So what happened was the sub we have appointed is now in close coordination with Maaden and getting these things done. So since the access to Maaden is not very very easy all the time.
Cooperative, yeah.
Yeah, this is what it's taking time.
No, but we thought pipe stress. We did all the design now, everything, the sizes and everything.
No, that was a proposed design without the stress analysis. And Maaden asked for specific stress analysis, so that's why it's been delayed. And we cannot work on the set until we have stress analysis done by Maaden.
Okay,
but sub-consultant. Okay, next one. Need to specify all existing pipe material, again, depending on the stress analysis. Same response, okay? 8, 9, 7, 8, and 9 are the same.
Need pipe, cells, pipe material. What else we have?
Can you go scroll down the comments, Trap?
Okay, go up to Where are we now? 9?
No,
You
no,
finish
let's,
up to 9?
yeah, up to 9. Yeah, 9 is the same. 8 and 9 is the same. Now,
Okay, 10.
unit price for sleeves and carrier pipes should be increased. Well, the consultant is not going to do anything. You need to do this one. You need to give your estimate to us so we can check it with what we have. Okay, the consultant is based on the he's working on the estimate that he got from his own database.
No, hang on.
Okay.
Sleeves and
Unit price
will be
for
increased.
sleeve.
We're not going to increase until you give
Mm.
we're not going to increase anything until you give us official response with the cost estimate.
Which unit price? We didn't ask for any unit
No,
price.
forget that.
I think your quantity. I think quantity. Not.
This is quantity, yes.
No, but the
by
quantity
mistake.
it's number 14 and 15. This one I don't know about this one.
This is related to the increase of the size of the. Because we increase the size, of course, we increase.
Okay, so that's depending on the sleeve size you're talking about. Okay, sure, I will revise your response.
For sure, yes.
No sleeves. Okay, there's no changes in the contract basically. Okay.
If there is no sleeves, then that will everything will remain the same.
Yeah.
We didn't give you cost yet.
No, I know. Not from
And the
you.
sleeve size.
No change in the unit prices as long as the pipe sizes
Sleeves are the same. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm muting few people over here, so I don't want to have so much background noise. Okay, description of new items. Include thrust block and testing and commissioning on the BOQ scope. Well, testing and commissioning is part of the original contract. Since this contract is under OIL 3C01, we are not going to provide any specific testing and commissioning unit price for this one. Okay, Yunus?
No, but we have to do that, right? Whoever do this pipe.
No, you will do the testing, but it's part of the original contract.
No, because this
testing and commissioning is part of the original contract.
This is pipe.
I understand. Look, Kamit,
no.
you are
Look, I don't know.
You are the pipe engineer. Testing and commissioning of pipes are always part of the original contract, and we are just doing a DTN over here. We are just doing, running some sleeves. So that's what I'm saying is this is part of the original contract. But however, if any thrust block is missing in the BOQ, we will include this one.
It's mentioned in the pay item description, engineer.
In the pay item description, write down including testing.
It's mentioned in the pay item already description.
No, we don't give a separate pay item.
The pay item it's including
okay, just
the
make a pay item revision over there. Sharp. Just include the testing and commission. Is included in the pay item description.
In the pay item description, write down so contractor can price it accordingly. Okay.
Exactly.
Sure.
It's
No worries. We'll do this one.
But the pipes that were there initially, obviously we were roasting the pipes. So the testing and commissioning will be in twice.
But the testing and commissioning, he has a point actually. The testing and commissioning is only for the new pipes that are installed under OIL 3C01. This is a new pipe for Maaden, separate a little bit.
Anything, if there's new pay item, including testing and commissioning.
Yeah, it's a new pay item. He's, you know what I mean, Maurice?
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Yeah, this is for Maaden, because it wasn't original in the contract. For Maaden.
But yeah, okay, no problem.
They are different pressure. They're seawater cooling pipes.
Okay. Next.
Okay, include a hydro testing of pipes under the road after installation. That's part of the hydro testing. Same as testing and commissioning. Do you want this has to be as per the specification? Tassos, do you have any testing specification requirement for this one?
Okay, one at a time. Let's hello. Can I talk?
इसका 85% दिया हमने और इसका DCN3 का नहीं दिया 30%. और एक दिया था शायद हमने.
Hey Tassos, can you hear us?
Can you? Hello.
Hello, Tassos.
Tassos, you there? Tassos.
Sure, can you give Tassos a call so he can join back the meeting?
Tassos, you there?
Okay, let's go to the next item, number 13. Provide show concrete thrust block for each pipe elbow. I think, okay, this detail needs to be shown if it's not shown, but I thought it was shown there.
What did you write for 12?
We will come back, I said. We are waiting for Tassos to join. Oh, you're back, Tassos?
I'm
Okay,
here.
yeah.
I'm here. I was in somebody called me.
Okay. Number 12, we are on item number 12 here, okay? Include hydro testing of pipes under road. So do we need this as per the specification?
Yes, especially under the roads, because we want to
We
make
are
sure.
asking, let Tassos respond, Kamit.
Just one second. He's asking us.
Tassos?
Yes, we need. We cannot wait.
Do we need it? So you need to include this hydro testing, right? Okay,
Especially under-
okay, Kamit, please go ahead. Now I'm listening you.
Yes, these pipes under the road should be hydro tested.
Okay,
So there is
so do we have any specific specification for this one, or we RC has a standard specification? Do we need to provide anything specific for this?
It's a
No,
standard.
just
It's common. No, it's common. It's common. Hydro testing you do in all the pipes. Believe me.
Okay, I'm just asking if RC has a specification for this, or do we need to rewrite it?
Yeah, just mention it on the sequence,
in drawing. Are you asking us or asking Tassos?
I'm asking Kamit if there is any specific, specification for this one, or, is there a standard specification provided by RC that the contractor needs to follow?
This.
No, this is required.
You're asking us specifications is there or not? Come on.
Yes. No, I'm asking if there's any standard specification that Kamit is using. Yes, Yunus, I'm asking Kamit if
I will reply. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Just mention on drawing, structural drawing 204, the sequence of work. In the steps, you have to mention this one.
Okay.
Before connecting to the, we should hydro test the line under the roads to make sure there is no leak. Because after constructing the road, and if there is leak, it will be a big problem.
How we approve the test? How we approve the pipe? By hydro test.
Hydro test before connecting to the existing pipe. Only
But
those pipes.
remember, we have only 48 hours, guys. In 48 hours, you need to do this one.
Yeah, but this is very important because.
Okay, I'm just saying, can you do this all in 48 hours? The shutdown time is 48 hours for each pipe.
Outside the roads, no problem. We can repair it. But
outside the roads, look, outside the roads, we are not touching Maaden pipe. Remember this one. Maaden pipe is not our responsibility. Our scope of work is we are only responsible for that portion that we are replacing. Outside that area, outside the road is not our scope of work. Remember this one.
No,
because Maaden will not allow us to touch their pipe.
No. In the comment is very clear before connecting to the existing pipes.
How you connect to the existing pipe then? You have to make shutdown and start one by one.
Existing pipe.
You make a bypass as per your drawing, and then you connect it. You take a shutdown and you connect the pipes. What else you do? How you do it otherwise? What do you mean by Maaden will not allow us to touch? What do you mean by that?
This is the existing Maaden pipe. Maaden will not allow you to touch their pipe, outside of the road. They will give you the shutdown period of 48 hours, and then you're gonna do this pipe. You're gonna replace the pipe, and then you will connect it. And then within the 48 hours, you can do the hydro testing in that area between the valve chambers. Okay, between the first and then the second one.
We need to do the testing because otherwise, how we will, make.
I am talking about between the valve chambers. Yes, so you will do that. They will shut down over there, and then you will do the testing between those valve chambers. And that's all you can do.
A new pipe.
If you want to go beyond that area, then we need Maaden permission.
No. We have another solution. We already discussed this
in the comment, it is clearly mentioned there before connecting to the. We will not touch the pipe.
Why would we touch that? I don't know.
We will hydro test the pipes under the roads only.
Guys,
connecting to the pipe.
Okay, perfect. Okay, clear. Let's move on. Fine.
Let's move on. Okay, let's move on. This is we don't have time for
this. This will be
RC spec. RC spec. Okay, that's
RC specs, right?
Make sure. Okay. Let me hang on. Make sure you add up in the pay item description all this. Testing.
Include in the.
Yes.
I don't know who.
What to do? Hello, contractor. Are you?
Okay, Shoaib, next one.
Can you hear me?
Provide show concrete truss block. Okay, we need to provide them if they're not provided. Okay, provide the detail, Tassos.
Yes. Okay.
And Maurice, you need to
provide it wherever necessary, no?
No, this will come from the stress analysis, gentlemen.
Yes. Stress block dependent on stress analysis. Okay.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Because I'm on my phone, my computer is coming up, so I'm unable to change document. You can check over the project. I think everyone knows it's an internal meeting. Everyone knows where it is and what the project is about.
This is screen sharing.
Are we ready or we're waiting for more people to join?
Okay, the quantities of the table G1 not matching with the calculated quantity from drawings.
Yes. You mentioned 1,000. The excavation is 16,000. The contractor.
No.
These are contractors.
But but it's already been that. Remember that area has already been excavated. Most of it.
No, it's only
Who told you
excavated
that?
in one point.
They checked it
and
actually
mostly
now.
it's filled. One
Huh?
point.
Guys, you have before we do
One
anything.
point. They excavated in one
Did you?
point.
Okay. Did you go to the side area? This one last time we went over, it was already excavated. This area.
No, they didn't expose
So
the
okay,
pipe.
that means you have backfilled that area.
No, not me.
What backfill the area? Who backfilled
When
it?
they expose
No.
the
You.
pipe which have the last.
Because the last time we
Many
visited
meters
was already
from
1 meter backfill over there from the existing pipe.
Only in one point,
Hang
not
on.
along
Zahran,
the pipe.
are you available?
Yes.
Yes, we are there. No, that's not true. We need to excavate it. We need to make sloping.
Yes, you need to
As
excavate,
they're
but
saying, yes.
I understand. Okay.
What is the
Okay,
length of the
that's-
How did you get the 16,000 cubic meter?
Yes, we make it in 3D and we calculate the volume we need to excavate it. It's 16,000. Minimum 16,000.
Okay,
It's 60 meter by 60 meter.
send. Can you send your calculation, please, to me so I can forward to the aide to verify it.
Okay, yes, we will. Don't worry. Yes, we will. It's
Try to descend the excavation.
Zahran, please.
Yes, okay.
Hi, excuse me. Sorry. The excavation, obviously, it wasn't clear on our end as regards to the. Hello?
Can you?
Yes,
Can you
please repeat.
Yeah, there's someone talking in the background. No, I was with regards to the levels in which you are using. If you look at the two versions of the level, from the top of the
top of the road.
Top of the road, yes.
Yes.
And the top of the slope.
And out of slopes. Yes.
Did you no, hold on. Did you confirm the top of the road?
Yes.
Or the top of the excavation?
I have the design. Actually, I need to show you something. The excavation which already done in the site.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes. The contractor, he went to the site, he computed it, and it's based on the existing ground elevations, the amount of the quantity of excavation to be done in order to do the job.
16,000.
From the existing grade levels. Is this correct, yeah, Khairi and Muhammad Zahran?
Yes.
Okay. Look, what I'm saying is, please submit your basis and submit your evidence, and then we will check it. That's all I can say. Morris, let them submit, and then we'll verify it. Okay?
Very good.
No problem.
Okay.
No
And
worries.
anyway, during the
Just submit it,
construction,
and we will confirm it, and then we would include it in the G1 table. It's not a problem.
Okay.
What is the next one? I'd mentioned the drawing.
Just please, boss. Just please. Can you give me 1 point?
Okay, let's go to the next one. Hello, Sharp.
Yeah, as mentioned in the drawings and provided construction sequence of steps, assemble pipe and sleeves outside the drop location.
Yeah, that's is not. Well, who says this one is not possible?
Can I explain? Our mechanical
Contractor
engineer
is saying
can
that
explain?
it's not possible, it's not practical to deliver to install it.
But that's the only way we can do this one. Unless the contractor comes up with a genius idea, which in 48 hours we can install a pipe, we are open to listen to this.
Muhammad Osman.
This is the last pipe. This is
48 is required for the connection, not for the pipe installation. Pipe installation.
Exactly. Pipe installation you will do it outside. You can take it 4 days, 5 days outside. That's fine. The shutdown will be 48 hours. They will shut down only one pipe. You will install the first pipe within 48 hours after you assemble outside.
Yes, outside this has been another location. The existing pipe location we will assemble in the new location, and after
That's
that,
fine.
48
That's fine.
hours.
You can, yes, you can. Correct. You can assemble anywhere, wherever you want, and then once you lift it down to the ground, you have only 48 hours to disconnect from the existing pipe, connect to the new pipe. But in the meantime, you can do all the connection at the ground one, okay? And then once you're sure everything is connected, there's no leakage, and then you will connect your pipe from Maaden.
Yeah, and then I will connect
within 48 hours. Correct.
But in the down area, I will start with the sleeve. I will finish the installation of the sleeve. I will insert the carrying pipe in the sleeve.
Please talk in the background. Please
Look,
talk in
the sleeves and the pipes are installed outside. You will lower it down every 6 meter, 10 meter, 8 meter, whatever the practice is, and then you will laminate those at the ground.
It will be depend. We will submit. We will submit our
like this.
We will submit our reserve statement based on this.
We are asking you. Maybe that's why we're asking you how to do this one. Do you have any practice?
No, we cannot.
Respectable.
Tassos, can you say something on this?
Actually, Tassos actually owes this type of the joints and how this will be done by.
Yeah, but it's stress analysis. Stress analysis.
No. We're not talking stress analysis right now. We're talking method statement right now, Tassos. We're talking about how to laminate, how to laminate a sleeve when the pipe is inside. That's the question.
Also note that in the way item description is wrote couplings, not lamination. This now lamination. Now you say it. Job description in the way item description. They write.
That was there in the concept. Yes, we agreed with this. But the type of the joints will be proposed by the pipe stress analysis contractor.
This means we will
based on the studies he is doing now.
Yes, we will wait
for this point. Analysis is done, so we don't know.
But even if you use lamination, we can do it lamination. You just lower the two portion. It's going to be like portion by portion. Let's say 6 meters, 12 meters, whatever you do. You just lower the sleeve and the pipe, and then you lower on the other side the pipe and the sleeve, and you start laminating. First the pipe, next the sleeve.
Yeah,
again, please.
That you will assemble outside one piece only the first sleeve and pipe. You will assemble it outside, but the next one and the third one, it will be sleeve separately, pipe separately.
Because how you will make the lamination itself?
But you can do it. This the proposal is you are going to use piece by piece. It's going to be pipe and sleeve outside, but you cover space. You lay down the first piece, you lay down the second piece, and here you start laminating.
What you can,
and after that is that's it.
What you could do is, you can.
The next the same thing.
You can have the sleeves a bit shorter than the pipe,
Yeah, exactly. They have to do it. Yes, that's going to do. Yeah,
yes, and then push it. You can do this one, yeah, and then and then later on you can laminate the sleeves.
So,
there is the pipes. Next the sleeve.
Well, you're the contractor. Maybe you can, as I said, you.
Let's see
we will submit the best method statement.
Let's see the better way. If there is any better way to improve the time.
Sure.
To improve the.
Please send it to us.
Yes.
Please.
We'll
okay.
See.
Okay. No changes unless contractor to provide a better solution.
But you cannot do it in 6 meters because the length is around 30 something.
To the method statement.
2 pieces you can do it. You can lift it. 10, 12 meters, 15 meters you can lift it. There is no issue. But 40 meters you can. But 15 meters you can lift it. So you can make 2 pieces in order to, let's say, to limit the time, to make only one welding.
Correct, and
on site.
preferably notified by writing.
Not like he's coupling. Yeah, but they're changing it now to coupling based on the stress analysis. They will do it.
Okay, next one, number 16, minimum interruption of utility supply. Well, this is 48 hours provided by Maaden. The contractor, during construction, we can talk to Maaden if we can increase the time. That's fine. If not, then we need to stick to 48 hours.
The
Yunus,
40,
we cannot do anything.
engineer,
Let's talk to Maaden.
there is
Involve me.
misunderstanding
We
here.
can, yeah, we
I
can
speak?
talk to her, but for now it's 48 hours, okay?
Can I speak?
That we can discuss only
Engineer.
during when we start the construction on site. We can ask for more time.
Engineer Yunus.
No. We need to activate them right now.
Look, right now they're saying 48 hours. You know, that's what they're saying. We have this in writing. We have this in, verbal timing. They're saying 48 hours, Yunus. If we can go back to them, they will say again 48 hours. Best thing is when we go to site, when we start the work, we can approach Maaden again during that time. Look, we need more time. We can show them that we need more time.
Can I speak?
But for now, it's 48 hours. We can go back to Maaden and ask
No,
them
we
again.
cannot, please, engineer, we cannot put us in this situation.
Contractor.
They will push us. They said this is a lack of you. This is not in our
What is
hands.
your concern? Once you connect all the leaves, and pipes together. No, listen to me. No, listen to me. Now you have everything on ground. You have 40. No, you have put everything together. The pipe and sleeves are all one piece at ground now, at lower level. And then you have 48 hours to disconnect from the existing pipe and connect to the new one. So you think it's not enough?
You didn't get my point. My point is the water inside the Maaden pipe. How many times need to be dry? We don't know.
Drained, you mean the drain is pressurized?
With the water to be dry. The pipe, the water from inside the pipe need to go out. How many days it takes? We don't know.
No, David. Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay.
Whose responsibility is
You get my point?
I understand. Yeah, from the existing pipe, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Let Maaden come back to us on this one during construction. They will come back to us how much they can. We asked that question already to Maaden. How they're going to drain it?
Maybe you need 1 day.
No. We talked to Maaden about this one already.
This 48 hours maybe only purely for the installation, not considering the draining.
I know what you mean. We asked this already. How are you going to drain your pipe? The water inside the pipe. We asked this already, and then they will provide to us.
We need to clean and dry the pipe after the draining. Then we can start our work.
Yeah, you can start after that connection. I understand. Well, we will come back to Maaden, on this one. If you need more time, we'll tell them we need more time.
Yes.
Okay. As mentioned on the provided method statement, that excavation shall be in limited time frame. What do you mean with this one exactly?
It's mentioned in the method statement which you provide that the excavation will be authorized by Maaden only in limited time, not the full day.
Oh yeah, you mean the working hours?
Exactly.
Because
Excavation work.
Well, that is who Adil prepared the method statement. Adil, what do you want to say on this one?
We need to know the concept of this time frame, then we can estimate our cost based on this one.
Again, yes, again, that will be coordinated on site with Maaden.
No,
we cannot do anything right.
It's affecting the
not
cost.
on site.
It's affecting the cost. I need to know now.
Okay, keep it as it is right now. Whatever is shown to you is 8 hours a day. What is the process right now showing the method statement?
August. Is it taking 1 week or is it taking 1 month?
I don't understand. I understand. You can only work 8 hours or 4 hours a day. I know what you mean.
Yes.
Yunus, but my question is, what is it right now shown on the method statement?
It's
blank. It's open. Nothing. They didn't put a period of time.
For excavation, what is there should no limitation on excavation as far as I know.
No, they didn't give us a specified period.
That's what I'm saying. There's no issue with the there's no issue with the excavation as long as you're working with the working hours.
Okay. Guys,
it's mentioned in the method statement.
No, it's not really working out.
Yes.
Adil, you provided this one. I'm listening to you.
Okay.
So this is the answer.
Adil.
Yes. Can I talk now? Everyone may stop.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Maaden. Okay, we have a 48-hour window. In this 48-hour, we need full-time Maaden representative on the site if you're working 24/7. Okay, sorry, 24/2. All right. So this we left this blank because we had no information whether Maaden will provide its representative to be present on site, because last time when we did a geotechnical investigation, their guys were sitting with us, okay, all the time. They were monitoring how we are excavating, and our geotech came and he took the samples. They were there all the time. So it is my understanding that whenever we are working around their asset, one of their representative will or should be there. Otherwise, they will not allow us because it's a live line and they want to make sure, yes, they are there.
Okay,
No,
that's fine.
I have one
Okay,
point.
so let's assume, how many, okay, look, they will be with us, how many days of excavation do you need this one? Let's give your plan to Maaden, we will submit it and assume that you are doing the regular excavation.
Okay. Because
Price for
there
regular
is
excavation.
in page
We will
number
give it to you by hours, not by day. Because we
Okay.
don't know how many hours per day we can work. Maybe Maaden, they say to us, working just 4 hours.
Look, no, they will not say it's 4 hours for sure. I can tell you that
Yes,
one.
maybe,
What I'm
maybe they
saying
will
is
shut down
assume.
the line.
Okay, look, let
While
me
we're
finish
excavating,
it.
maybe
Can
they will
you
shut
make assumption on 8 hours a day, whatever you make, how many hours or 10 hours a day?
We
Let's
cannot make
assume
the
that you are.
assumption.
No,
Look,
no,
that's what
very
we're
clear.
asking you to do. Make assumption based on this one. We'll come back to you. Okay, make an assumption on this one.
Okay, please take in your consideration that Maaden asked to give them this schedule. They will shut down the pipe, not only to be attendance. They need to shut down the pipe while we are starting excavation. Like
No, they
mentioned
cannot shut down the pipe while you're doing excavation.
it's mentioned
They
in
cannot shut down.
it's mentioned in page number 6 in the provided method statement.
Okay, that is wrong. No, they will not shut down the pipe. I know this one.
Yes.
They will not shut down. Be careful. They will not shut down during excavation.
That's why we need their representative all the time over there because they will
I
be
know, but
monitoring.
they will not shut down the pipe. I know this very well.
Yep.
August, can I say something on this one?
Sudhakar, please go ahead.
Yeah, this is mainly to the contractor. As we understand, everybody has understand the problem that the slot allocated by Maaden is 48 hours for making the pipeline connection.
It's exactly 48 hours only for pipe connection. It's not for excavation or something like yes.
So I know typically this is called hot tap connection or cold tap connection. All the permits.
Depending on the yes.
Contractor can propose based upon his resources availability, make a plan. You assume 24 hours or 2 shifts or whatever it is there. You put in your plan, in your working methodology, one pipe, what you will do, when you will do. For example, you will do this excavation when the line is there. Assume that Maaden will representative will be there. That is by default. That we know now that the case is very hot. So the Maaden representative will be there. That is nothing that
exactly.
So what I need a contractor to propose is a technical proposal which will be submitting to the Maaden is very clear proposal from the contractor. Day one, what you will going to do, how you will do the excavation, manual or this one, how many people, and day two, what you are going to do, and like that. This is then they will approve it. Now you have to assume that one. If the time limit is only 48 hours, what they gave it to you. Accordingly, you need to put your resources and tools and whatever there, and accordingly to price it. This is what I can tell you.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you heard Sudhakar as well. He got a good point as well over here. So let's make your best assumption, best price. What you think is right to do it on this one. That's all I can say right now. Yunus, okay. Did you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay. So now let's. I think we clarified all the issues over here because everyone has. I have to go to another meeting at 3 o'clock. So. Anything else you want to add? The first 4 items, depending on the stress analysis outcome,
Yes,
you can respond like that.
We will wait to get the updated documents with the stress analysis and
Yes.
all the missing documents. Then we can continue to estimate our price.
Yes, sure.
Okay, hold on. I have something to say. Okay, our contractor will provide you all the evidence of the excavation volume calculations. That's number one.
Yes,
and based on that, we will develop a schedule on the best case scenario, working 8 hours a day for excavation and along connection. And then in the meantime, we need to stipulate the conditions from Maaden point of view, from our point of view, from construction, both. So they both needs to, we need to agree with Maaden and Maaden needs to agree with our conditions, payment condition, whatever we will stipulate as per our method statement. And we will revise the method statement, which will suit our construction methodology, which Maaden will have to provide their consent.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Okay,
Anything else you want to add? Anyone wants to say something?
Because I have a small clarity to the contractor.
Listening.
Okay, is contractor there? Okay. I want to ask the contractor if the jointing, that is the interface joint with mechanical joint will take less time, or the field welded joint will take the less time, as per from your experience point of view.
It's mechanical, but it's anyway. It will be. We have another issue, but it will be depend on the drawing which will provide about regarding the terrace
We're going to go
block.
back to 2008 when we.
My dear friend, let me just why I'm asking the question is if the problem here is not the design, the problem is the time.
Engineer, I know. Engineer Muhammad Osman, can you respond, please?
What we are trying to tell is, please understand why I'm asking this question is, if
Yes.
our designer, he can provide that type of connection based upon your feedback. This is why we are asking you.
Maybe we should look at.
See, what is important for us now? It is the connection with the existing system. This one is the time, but the pipe, if coupling, if lamination, which one that has those
It might open their eyes to ECTV and say, oh, it's
ratio, connection with the existing system? Which one will be?
worldwide.
Because it is the existing materials of the pipe. It is FRB, how much is the stiffness there, how much there will be the new pipe stiffness. All this should be considered.
So sorry, I think you didn't answer what I'm asking.
No, I get his point. I will explain. He mean to make it mechanical connection, mechanical coupling. We need to know the full detail about the existing pipe, which we don't know.
You will get all the details, my dear.
Then we
Since
can
you are a
decide.
contractor, I'm asking a simple question. To achieve this job in 48 hours, do you prefer the mechanical joint or laminated? A simple question.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is the current ecosystem is
Engineer Muhammad, can you respond?
Mechanical joint. Hello? Can you hear me?
Okay, yeah. Okay, I got your answer. Okay, just for my information.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's it from my side.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay. Thank you very much, gentlemen. I have to close the meeting because I have another meeting. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
Thank you.